today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. And yes, guys, I have some crazy news to share with you. News so crazy, if I wouldn't see them myself, I wouldn't believe it. Guys, when I'm done with you here, and I will go straight into the charts, the world is not gonna be the same anymore. Watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let's hit, I don't know, 12, 14, 15,000 likes on that video. This is like the average of the last videos. You are truly a force for good. Thank you so much for supporting me here on my mission to carry this content out to as many people as possible in the world. Our channel is the channel with the most watched Bitcoin videos in the world right now. Thank you very much for that. And now let's go straight into the content. And guys, this time please watch until the very end, because the specific segments of that video are extremely important to understand what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term and also in the mid run. Guys, let's go straight into it. Let's talk about the price. So we are starting on this chart, which you already know, right? On this chart, actually, things are not looking so catastrophic because we are here on the daily candles and we are still in the pattern. As long as we are not breaking out of a pattern, it's just waiting time, right? For you as a breakout trader. We didn't break resistance. We didn't break support, we didn't break resistance. Sorry, we didn't break support and we didn't break resistance. Of course, it's very easy, one-on-one on trading. If we break the resistance, break out towards the upside, 51,000, 58,000, 68,900 US dollars as my 3 price targets for the specific breakout. As long as the support is not breaking, right? If the support is breaking here to the downside at 38,500, breaking the previous low, also this previous low here, well, then we are potentially looking out for significant downwards momentum, another retest of the 29,000 US dollar areas. But if you are just looking at this, you would say, hey, it just looks actually quite bullish for Bitcoin. We are in a falling wedge. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern, actually a bullishly biased pattern. 2 out of 3 times, 200 out of 300 times. This one is actually, let me quickly go back. This one is actually breaking towards the upside, right? Correct. But now let's look into another chart. Let's look into this one. And oh, sorry, this is the same one. Let's look into this one. And actually the last one is the one I wanted to talk about in this video. The last one is where I want you to pay very close attention to. So here we have these 2 head and shoulders patterns. And I was already telling you before, hey guys, don't short this. We already got a very crazy fake out here. If you short it here, you got wiped out big times. Like, even if you had a 2x leverage only, you got liquidated right there. So obviously, I would never short right here just based on a head and shoulders pattern breaking to the downside. Head and shoulders patterns are terrible patterns to trade. However, right now you can see that this fake out is about to fail. Right? I would still not trade it. The price target is ridiculous, 17,000 US dollars or so. Like, this is, in my opinion, and according to my TA and according to my bullish sentiment, never gonna happen, right? But you never know. So here you can see this is something I would never trade. Something, however, where I want you to pay very close attention to is, let me quickly pull it out here. This here is the total crypto market cap. And here, ladies and gentlemen, it is not so nice, because what you can see is that, let me quickly pull that out, that on the daily candles, and this is Bitcoin and crypto and all cryptocurrencies in total, the total crypto market cap, we are having a high and a higher high, right? And we are still in this bullish trajectory, because even this low here is lower than the new one. So the new low is higher than the previous high. But you can see that on the total crypto market cap, unfortunately, also we are forming a head and shoulders pattern, actually, with a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. It's not a perfect one, but it is a head and shoulders pattern. So now we are seeing a head and shoulders pattern on the total crypto market cap and on Bitcoin. And this one here actually would have a price target, which is possible in a bear market to fulfill, because this one would be a 45% retracement. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin has to retrace 45%. If just a few altcoins or most of the altcoins go down like 80%, Bitcoin goes down 20%, we will still go down 45% on the total crypto market cap. Here's one thing I wanted to tell you. And later on, if you press this video up to, I don't know, 12, 13,000 likes, I will publish another video I actually already recorded in an airplane, where I'm sharing with you my thoughts whether we are in a bull market or bear market. I have one chart to share with you. Like this video, and I will upload this video for you today or tomorrow. What I wanted you to keep in mind the most is this one. Usually I look at the higher time frames the most, but in this case the daily for me is the most relevant, because it's the one which is giving us a clue about whether in the short term we can expect upwards momentum or downwards momentum. So here you can see we are still in that pattern. And actually, why should we go bearish unless we are not breaking the 39,000 to the downside? We are still holding support. We are still in this pattern. Yes, we are below the ribbon on the daily, but we are hovering around the ribbon on the weekly, right? So there is no reason yet to break bearish. If you want to be bearish, just come on. Wait like 3 or 4% more for a dump. Until this is not happening, I'm not breaking bearish. Until this is not happening, I am actually remaining. Let me quickly go back here on the camera. I am actually remaining neutral myself, standing on the sidelines, potentially getting ready either to pull out of my trades or to long if we are breaking resistance on the falling wedge. And if we are doing so, obviously, I am myself as a breakout trader getting ready. If you want to get ready as well, only do it as an experienced trader. But in the pinned comment down below, you will get less than a $10,000 bonus on Bybit alone, a $4,100 bonus. Step number 1, in the pinned comment, scroll down below the video, the very first comment or in the video description. You click the link, you register, and after your initial deposit, you get this bonus completely for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And if you are interested in VPAD VLaunch updates, follow it on Twitter at VLaunch.com. It's a verified account. If you are interested where the heck in the world I am right now, follow me on Instagram at ChrisMMCrypto with the blue verification check mark. And with that being said, guys, we are going to see each other. By the way, we are working a lot on VLaunch. I just wanted to tell you, when I'm sometimes not talking a lot about it, that doesn't mean that there's nothing happening. We have a few nice announcements to share with you very soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.